You calling me out, P.Louise? P.Louise? Sounds fancy. I don't take hours trying to open up the packaging. Hello everyone, so today we're going to be doing our makeup and we're gonna also review the Single Bad Bitch. Single Bad Bitch? You calling me out? Mystery box. I don't know what flavor, what color. I think it's Bad Bitch Energy. I think Duo is in here, but I don't know which one. So that's the mystery. Yeah, I'm excited. But first, you know the drill. Cue the music!
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
Hello everyone, so today we're going to try some products from P.Louise. P.Louise. It's P.Louise. Yeah, no, I was just looking through P.Louise and I was like, oh, it's so cute, the website. Oh my god. I just love the branding of P.Louise. It's just so cute. It's up my alley. I've been obsessed with mystery boxes. I was curious and I saw the Single Bad Bitch mystery box and I was like, P.Louise, what are you calling me out? So I was like, I gotta try it. Let's open it up. I already cut up the packaging, as you can see. I was like, I don't take hours trying to open up the packaging for the video, so I'm like pre-opened. I just didn't check what's inside. So we're both going to see the inside for the first time together. 1, 2, 3. Actually, this is so cute. Oh my god. Oh, I love this. It's the Bad Bitch Energy. Will you be miney? Oh, so it's a honey flavor. I mean, honey. Is it flavored? No. I really like how it looks like a juice box. Oh, it's an actual straw. Oh, and I got a free like silky serum. Oh, this is so cute. This is so cute, and it's in a jelly ice cream. It's the jelly ice cream serum. Oh, let me try that. It smells like caramel. It's hydrated. So you get this in the mystery box. I guess this was free. And I guess, so this lip kit serum was stuck on this. This is the ultimate lip care, and it talks about the serum, the lip silky serum, and it talks about also the flavors that are coming out soon. So I guess there's more flavors coming out soon. But I really love this packaging. 100% concentrate on yourself. So it's a lip conditioner, lip oil. I love lip oil. I can definitely use. You can never have too much lip oil, right? I feel bad about cutting this up. Oh my god.
I ruined the box.
I could have just opened it from here. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Hey, honey.
Oh, honey.
Protect your pouch. And this one says super hydrating shine. Let's open this up. I guess this is our... That is so pretty. Isn't that so cute? So cute. Really smells like honey. It feels like very hydrating, very moisturizing. I feel like almost that I spread honey straight up on my lips. Let's see the other one. I really love these mystery boxes. You don't know what you're gonna get. This is the Protect Your Pouch. So it's for dry lips. This is the lips conditioner. So the other one was the lip oil. This is the lip conditioner. Oh my god, and it's so cute. You can just like hang these on your bags. Oh, this is very nice. Very hydrating. It smells like honey. This make me want some like really good toast and some honey and butter. I'll complete my look and I'll use the lip oil. I just did my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna get some concealer. I really like this setting spray to use on my sponge, actually. Set down everything. Now that we got that sorted, I'm going simple with my makeup, but I want it to last all day. So I'm doing the Super Stay Maybelline 30 hours. This really stays. You can hit the gym, go to work with the same makeup you had from earlier on in the day, but of course you sweat it out in the gym, so maybe use like some sort of hypochlorous acid over it just to kill off that, you know, the bacteria from the sweat. The one I like actually is from Proactive. No, it's not from Proactive, sorry. It's from Prequel. It's really good. It's my favorite hypochlorous acid spray. Definitely great for when you get out of the gym and you're all sweaty. Or don't go to the gym with makeup at all, really. But I mean, some people are like multitasking and they're like, I gotta go to the gym, I gotta go here, I gotta go there. I have so many stuff to do, so... And I get it. You're like, you want your makeup to be on point. It might take like a long time. We're ready moisturized, put our sunscreen. PSA, you need your sunscreen. Very important. Never go out without it. Done with our foundation. I'm gonna use this palette from Marie Dalgar. So we're gonna use that dark brown. Use an angled brush. I really like this palette actually. I got it from Sephora in China and it's really good. Marie Dalgar is a Chinese makeup artist. I don't know if her products are available in the Sephora worldwide, but I believe it's available in Singapore, Malaysia, China. The price was actually very good, to be honest. When I went to Sephora in China, I was like, oh, I'm looking for only like local brands, you know? This one was a nice choice. So we went into this color. Now we're gonna go into our shimmer flat brush. It's nice for, you know, everyday look. We'll get some of this color into our brow bone. Mascara from Handaya, a dark brown mascara. I'm doing a very quick, simple look. Get that dark brown. We're gonna use that on the bottom lash. Very simple today. Gonna use this NYX Back and Butter. Get our blush brush. We're just gonna give ourselves some color. I know you're looking, you're like, that's too much blush. Don't worry. That's when you come in with some powder and you just buff it out and get some powder. Sit on your hand, back to your hand. I'm just giving myself a natural sun-kissed look. Milani, we just want a little bit of glow, a little bit of highlight. Brush, a little bit of highlight. Not trying to do too much. I'm just like, let it all blend and mesh together, because we kind of used the blush as sort of in place of where we would put some bronzer or contour. So I'm like, get that sun-kissed look, and this color really gives me that effect, because it's like a brownish dark red, so it's really nice. Gives that sun-kissed look for especially my skin tone. It's very simple. We're gonna get our lip liner. I'm using Lifted Up. This is from Rochelle Beauty. It's a nice warm color, nice everyday color. Now we're gonna use our lip oil from P.Louise. P.Louise sounds fancy. P.Louise also sounds fancy. See? Nice and simple. Don't forget your setting spray. We're gonna use one size. Oh.
It's beautiful.
She looking cute, simple. Cute, simple, everyday look. Yeah, I like this. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Anyways, I'm off. Toodles!
Trying out all the looks she made, or cooking up some delicious foodie.